Nice, son.
Wow, that cheetah's fast. You know, I'm a leopard, and we're pretty fast animals too. In fact, I am probably one of the fastest animals in the jam room.
You?
I don't think so.
Oh yeah? Wanna race? Ready?
Set, go!
Hey, are the DJs having some kind of a race?
Yes, indeed, Pumpkin Seed. And it looks like DJ 1's in the lead, and DJ 2's in second. And DJ 3,
Am I winning yet?
I'm gaining on you! I'm gaining on you!
Hold up. Gotta make it. Keep trying, buddy. Keep trying. Oh, good. Want some coffee?
You trying to beat us?
Blue skies, white doves, blue skies,
Can't catch
white
us.
doves.
Come on.
3, 2, and 1. Hit it! And make it fast.
Or slow.
Oh, yeah.
3,
2.
1.
Looks like DJs 1 and 2 were ahead by a nose. Get it?
Well, that's stupid, but how is it torture?
You'll see.
Ahead by a nose.
Oh, I get it!
Oh, make it stop, Krabs! Make it stop! Mr. Krabs! SpongeBob, zip it! Thank you, Squidward.